Today we'll be doing a Toyota Hiace 2005 model. I'm just going to show you guys what comes in the kit. So obviously you've got your head unit there. These are the trimming tools, all the cables that you need. You have a vehicle handbook, and you've got some cool like gel for cables. Get a dash cam and a dash cam, and that's about it. So here we have the Hiace factory head unit here. This bit here, all of this is connected all the way down to about here. So what you need to do is, using the trimming tools, all you need to do is get in here. And then the rest you should be able to just and there you go. See, it all comes out pretty easily. Might just be like last week because I didn't put that down. But other than that, yeah, that's how it all comes out. You'll be able to take it all out. So once the fascia is off, as you can see, there are 4 bolts on each side here. Couldn't find my screwdriver, but I drilled it. Let's just unscrew these. Once all the screws are out, you go ahead, you can now pull out the head unit, factory head unit. 2 cables there. All you have to do is just unplug them, and there you go. Cool. So once you're at this part, we're just gonna match up the cables. So you can see here you have the cables. So this is a 8-pin, and this is a 10-pin, and this is a 6-pin. You just have to match them up. One, two, here. And all you have to do is you grab the head unit. So the power plug goes into here. So what you do is plug it in to fix. You just turn on the car to test out the power. There we go, so you turn it on. So just test out the sound if it's working. Just follow up the radio channel somewhere. It's working. Radio channel is working that. And then we can line up the rest of the cables. I'm going to show you guys wherever each cable will go. Here we have a USB retention cable with a mic embedded in it. This here is a 12-pin, I'm correct, not 10-pin, sorry, at the back. Like so. This is for your aux. So this is an 8-pin, so just go on. There you go. This here is for your reverse camera, if you have a reverse camera put in. You just match that on. Now this is your GPS. As you can see here, it says GPS and the Wi-Fi antenna. So GPS goes onto a GPS one. When we do a GPS one, just make sure you need to put them up against the dash and where nothing is obstructing it for best coverage. So, dashboard, I'll show you guys for that in a second. So we are about to put back the air comes down soon, the fascia, because this head unit sort of pops out. So what you do is you put it back into place. Just find each thing. Yeah, just match up all the lines. So for your aux, just match them up. Yeah, so aux in. Okay. These ones, smash them again. There you go. Some of them may not need to go anywhere. You don't need to put anything in, so it's fine. I do recommend putting some electrical tape around it so it sticks a lot better. Then you got the antenna, which goes into here. Sorry, so goes into the head unit. And then you have the power switch. Power cable, so go back. Then all you have to do is push it back. You push it. Dimension, so to put these in, you don't need to screw them in. So you see these little grooves, that groove here, and like over here a little one. They're all over the head unit, so they are designed to fit and to click in to the dashboard. So all you have to do is match them and until it clicks like that. And there you have it. It's all plugged, it's all in there. As you can see, it's all in here, over here, and it's basically there, all done, ready to go. We'll just turn it on. So here you go, look at that, beautiful. See there, it's working, sound working, which is good. Now I'm going to show you guys on how to connect your phone. Just turn that off. So what you need to do is you go on to settings, Bluetooth, sorry, not settings, Bluetooth. Go on to Bluetooth, and then on your phone you go on to settings, Bluetooth, so until it comes up. It says it's called Vhedia BT. The parent code is 000. And then it should come up on here, paired devices, so it's already paired, which is a good sign. And once it's paired, you can go onto SpeedPlay, which is a CarPlay for this head unit. So see here, connects on your phone. It will come up to say, because it's the first time, just press use CarPlay. It says it connects, and here we go. So now you have CarPlay, get your maps. You got your maps here, and all your messages, your phone, Spotify, Skype if you need it. Yeah, there you go. Also, a cool little thing, you can always go back to the original if you've got some cool apps here. I just want to show you guys. So if you put it in a reverse camera, this doesn't have a reverse camera. Yeah, there. Rookie study, this would be used to set your steering control, but this band doesn't have any, so we don't need it. But other than that, that's it. It's all set. It's all done. Hope you guys enjoy the video. It's pretty easy to install, simple to do. Thanks to not having to screw this in, it's just easy to just place it in and it clicks in. Other than that, guys, thank you for watching.